Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified as we upload one new recipe every day. Now, kebabs is something that we all love and definitely relish. So today I'm going to make a very nice Seekh kebab using mutton. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. So first I'm going to make a coarse paste of garlic. This is about 7 cloves of garlic, 1 piece of ginger, 2 green chilies chopped. If you don't have a pestle and mortar, you can just grind this in a mixer. I have about 300 grams of minced meat, which is mutton. To this I'm going to add 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Add the crushed ginger, garlic and green chili. Next add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt you can add according to your taste. Chop a handful of fresh mint leaves. Chop a handful of coriander leaves. Now that you've added all the ingredients, we're going to quickly mix it together. After you've added all the ingredients for the mince, let this sit for about 2 hours. You can leave it at room temperature and then you can make your Seekh kebabs. Mutton mince for the Seekh kebab has been sitting for 2 hours with the masalas in it. I'm just going to put this in the blender and pulse it a few times to get the right consistency. So you can see the mince, I've not made it too fine, it's just a coarse mince, because if it's too coarse or if it's got larger pieces, it might not stick to the skewer stick. So this way you can stick it into the skewer, or the meat will hold the skewer stick well. That's the reason why we blend it. So I've taken a handful of the mince, so just do this gently. I have a microwave grill and conventional oven, so I am going to use the grill setting and grill these Seekh kebabs. But before I do that, I am going to preheat it with the grill setting and then I will grill them for about 10 minutes on each side. So here is a lovely and interesting recipe that you can make next time you get mutton. You can follow the same steps and make it with chicken as well. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frame.